Guys, welcome back. So for today's look, I'm doing this green look right here. And the palette that I'm using for this look is the Marigold palette from Profusion. So beautiful. Look at these colors. And the glitters, they're really pretty, guys. So I'm starting with some take, guys, and using the darkest shade of green from the palettes. And I am going to be using this as the liner. So I did switch off the brush to a fluffy brush, and I am going to be blending this upwards. Now going in with this beautiful green color, I'm going to be applying this on top, and then I'm just going to be blending. And I am going to be reapplying that dark green. And I'm going to be adding this green glitter right on top. This is a very simple look, but with a pop of color. I think it's really nice if you don't want to go all out with colors. So I'm going to be adding some concealer now, and I'm going to be blending that out. So I'm going back in with the darkest green shade that I'd used. I'm going to be adding this on the bottom of my eyes. And from there I am going to be using some liner, and I'm going to be blending that out and then topping it off with the other green shadow that I used. So I finished the rest of my face off of camera, and this is how the look turned out. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.